Hey, do you want to learn how to disable video title at start of the video in VLC Media Player? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's say I open up one of my videos here, which is going to open in VLC Media Player like this. And you can see this title right here, and you do not want to see it each time. Let's say it just goes over to the end here. Bye for now. Hey, and then it loops and it shows this title again. In order to remove that, on the top in the menu bar, go over to Tools and then go over to Preferences. Open it up, and then in this pop-up, you're going to find the menu bar on the top. Go over to Subtitles/OST, click on that, and then under Subtitle and On-Screen Display Settings, you're going to find On-Screen Display. Under it, you'll see Enable On-Screen Display. You can just disable this from here. Click on this check mark to disable it. And there's this Show Media Title on Video Start. You can disable that too. This is going to show the title at the start of the video. You can move it up, down, left, right. But if you just want to disable it, you can just do that. And once you're done, press on the save button, and that is it. Now, if I play the video again, hey, do you want for now? And there you go. You're no longer going to see the title at the start of the video or when it loops. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment, and on the right hand side, you can find more VLC Media Player related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.